Good morning. Well, it's my morning right now, but probably when you watch this, it won't be morning. So, good morning, everyone. This is Saucy, the Towboat chef. Let me try that one more time. I've only had one cup of coffee, so we'll try that one more time. Good morning, everyone. This is Saucy, the Towboat chef. Hey, got it right. Alright, today I got to start something early to be able to cook all day. And it's something for that's really great for this cold weather that we're just about to receive. I can freeze up a whole bunch of it, have some for later, but I'm going to show you what it is. Be right back. Okay, here it is what we've got. Got whole sweet corn, frozen baby carrots, frozen green peas, chicken broth, minced garlic, green onions, boneless, skinless breasted chicken, that's for my diet, and Reame's home-style egg noodle. I don't have a lot of room to be making anything from scratch. This little counter that you see, that's my preparation room. So, now this is going to take about 2 to 3 hours to cook in the crock pot. And this, because I'm missing one item here, I bet y'all don't know, but I'll give you a hint. It's long and green, but it's cream style. How about cream of celery? So I'll be going to the store before before that's done, and get the cream of celery. So let's get the chicken started in the crock pot, in my old crock pot. So yes, that thing has traveled around everywhere with me for probably the last 15 years, I'd say, and it still works great. Why should I replace it? What the old saying goes, don't fix if it ain't broken. It ain't broken, it works great. It may look like crap on the outside, but it has some rust spots, but it works. No, so why should I replace it? It's perfect size just for me. Anyways, so let's get started, and I'll be right back. As you can see, I've already got the garlic in with the chicken. That's about 2 tablespoons. I also put in basil leaves, just enough to coat the top, oregano, and then this is a chicken seasoning that I made up and put up one of these jars. Oops, it got a little hard there. It's been a while since I used it, so hold on a second. Be right back. I got to pound the hell out of it. Well, I mean the heck out of it. So hold on. Okay. It don't take much. About that much. Should I share that recipe with you? Because that's kind of my secret recipe for my chicken. Listen, I have to think about it. I might one day share certain spices and recipes that I have. Alright, now put in approximately, I would say, 4 cups of chicken broth. It's just one of these boxes. That's a total of 4 cups. And there we go. Now it needs to cook for a couple hours, and then we'll shred it. So I'll come back for that. I forgot the salt and pepper. I already put the pepper in. Now I'm putting in the salt. I use sea salt. It's better for you. Okay, here we go from the pouring in. I just hope to God I don't pour out too much. That's about perfect. Nice. But anyways, sea salt's better for you. And that's the reason why I use it. Alright, be back in a bit. Alright, as you can see, I have got the chicken all chopped up. I'm going to add some also fresh onions to this. Well, I was at the store, I thought, you know what, I need some fresh onions along with my green onions. And I saw something else I'm going to add later on. Bacon bits. Can't go wrong with bacon. This is real bacon bits. Again, what do I say? Never have too much bacon. Alright, so let's get this back into here. One second, it's a-going. Oop. Can't see it too well, can you? Hold on, let me move it over to where you can, more into the light here. There we go. Alright, gotta stir it up a little bit. Let that cook, I would say about another hour. So the bacon bits will be put in at the end. But let us cook this for about an hour and I'll come back to you then. See you in a bit. Wait a second. Do you see what I forgot to put in? How about all the veggies? They gotta cook too. I'll probably have to either add more water or chicken broth to the end of this. I mean, but that's just the right amount of fluid in it. This makes a huge pot. It's only a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it increases in size. But it already started to look good, doesn't it? Alright, I'll be back. The next step is going to be adding the noodles. And then the green onions and the bacon bits. Alright, see you in a bit. Oh, yeah. This looks good already. Alright, time to add in the cream of celery. This is why it takes all day, because everything takes time to heat up and cook up. Stir that in really good. Let that heat up. Ooh, steam, steam, steam. That moves the camera away. There we go. Stir that in really good. Gives it like a creamy flavor too also. Doesn't take long to dissolve that cream of celery. Alright. Give it about... Ooh, move it. Here, I'm going to zoom in. As I... Hold on, I'm still learning. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Alright, gonna let that heat up. It takes about 30 minutes. And then we'll add the noodles next. Be right back. Well, it's time to add in the noodles. I've already did a pre-taste. Oh my god, my stomach is grumbling here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Go away. Get away from the lens. Come on. Quit steaming it. Dang it. Be right back. Gotta wipe those lids off. Oh yeah, I gotta be careful stirring. So let's add all that steam. Oh, doesn't that look good already? And wait till those noodles are done. This will be so thick. Now this will take about an hour and a half. I just hope my stomach can handle it. Anyways, see you then. Well, it is done. Now I'm just going to add the green onions to it. I like the green onions a little bit raw. As a topping and mix in. Has that onion crunch. And now let me dish it up. And let's do a taste test. No, I have not forgotten one item. I'm putting that on top of my bowl. Alright, be right back. Oh yeah. Look at all that yummy goodness. Look at that chicken. Oop, let's focus in. The peas, the corn, the carrots, the noodles, the bacon. Ah! Steam. I stirred up steam. Come on. Let's cool off the lens. Oh, that looks so good. Alright. Let me set up so I can do a taste test with you. Be right back. Okay, here it is. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, let me get a little bit of everything on this. Let's see, chicken. Let me get a small carrot. Some noodles there. Oh God. Oh whoa. Taste it with the bacon and oh my God. Onion, carrots, corn, peas, chicken. And again, I'm spittling. That's why I hate doing taste tests and talking. Get that big piece of chicken there. Doesn't that look good? It's hot. Must be because it's been cooking all day. Oh, stomach's been growling for this. This is wonderful. Easy to make. It's just an all-day thing with me. I'm sure if you do this in an Instant Pot, you have it done an hour, 2 hours. I don't mind slow cooking. Like I said, that Crockpot's been with me forever. Love it. When it breaks down, then I'll get an Instant Pot. Alright. In the meantime, I want to thank you all for watching. If you're new to the channel, please click on subscribe. Do that thumbs up also down right next to it. That way you get all the notifications of my videos. Hit like and leave a comment. So introduce yourself. Oh my God, got some on my teeth. Anyways, I want to say I want to enjoy this meal now, so I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, enjoy.